Hilo Anchee All-Terrain. Proudly manufactured in the Shandong province of China, Hilo Anchee produces over 48 million tires annually, with over $500 million of investments into R&D and manufacturing technologies. Hilo Anchee has created a division focused on high-performance tires. They also partnered with Yokohama Rubber to vastly increase their production facilities, which total over 2.4 kilometers squared, which is about 5 West Edmonton Malls, and brings in over $90 million annually. The MS rating ensures performance in various weather conditions such as rain, dry roads, mud, and light snow. Aggressive tread design features large, deep tread blocks and grooves for enhanced traction in mud, snow, gravel, and sand. The reinforced sidewalls and sturdy rubber compounds are able to withstand rugged conditions and to resist punctures. The tread patterns are designed to expel mud, rocks, and other debris to maintain traction off-road conditions through self-cleaning. They are engineered to provide a smooth and quiet on-road driving experience.